Welcome back, programmers. In the today's section I'm gonna show you how you can create Tkinter program to find and randomly create the Wikipedia page. So let's do this. So first of all, import Tkinter. From Tkinter import all of the necessary stuff and then create your root equal to tk, and then obviously create the main loop. Okay, so this is our Tkinter body. Okay, now let's create the label. So I'm gonna create a variable lbl1 equal to label, obviously, and in the label I'm gonna first pass the text equal to, let's say, welcome to all-in-one code, and in here I'm gonna pass the root, because what if you got too many windows, and then just grid this label, obviously lbl1.grid, and in the grid pass row equal to 0 and colon equal to 0, and in here you can see welcome to all-in-one code we got. I'm gonna pass the root.geometry. I want my screen like, let's say, 500 into 500. We are gonna change it later. So this is our screen. Okay, so the perfect resolution is 1328 into 580. So in here I'm gonna create a random Wikipedia page and suggestion, or you can say search Wikipedia page. So let's do it. So I just change the color and the font size with the font property, font equal to orbit 20, fg equal to blue. Even you can change the background color using bg. rnd lbl equal to label, and in here I'm gonna pass the root and text equal to random Wikipedia page, and obviously the font is, I'm gonna copy this and remove color, and I'm gonna change the font size. So let's do it. I'm gonna change this into 10, and this is 20 is good. I'm gonna change this into purple, and this is good. Now I want this label grid is row equal to 1 and colon equal to 0, and then I'm gonna put the paired x and paired y, and I'm gonna change this all-in-one code, welcome to all-in-one code, to all-in-one code only. So this is how it is looking, all-in-one code random Wikipedia page, and so on. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna create another label. I'm gonna name it search Wikipedia page, means srh lbl, and I'm gonna change only column into 1. So let's try. You can see this is the random Wikipedia page and this is the random Wikipedia page. I'm gonna change it into search Wikipedia page. Now I'm gonna create the text box. I'm gonna name it random text box, and rndtxt equal to text box, or you can say text, and then I'm gonna change this text box grid into row equal to 2 and colon equal to 0. So you can see in here I got the huge text box, and so on. So I'm gonna create text box for search Wikipedia page 2. I'm gonna just copy this and paste with the different name srh txt, and then I'm gonna just change the colon equal to 1. You can say I got 2 text box. Even you can change the text box row and column too, but I don't need this now. This is okay for now. Now I'm gonna create the button for random text box. I'm gonna just use the button function, and oops, I forgot to pass root in here. Now I'm gonna copy this and paste this in my button. I want my button color green. Let's try green. And I want my button text is random page, and this is okay, and so on. So I'm gonna change this grid rndbtn into row equal to 3 and column equal to 0. You can see I got random button, and so on. So I'm gonna create button for search Wikipedia page. But isn't it good if we put button in here? We are gonna change it later, but this is good for now, and so on. So we got random page and search page button. Now I need this search box. I just changed the width and the height of the text box using width and the height property, and here you can see I just put width equal to 90 and height equal to 23. So now let's create the search box and the logic of this page. I want my search box in here srh entr equal to entry, and then I'm gonna pass the text red and text font, and then I'm gonna change the button row equal to 4, and I'm gonna put row equal to 3 in entry. So let's try. You can see we got the entry in here, and the text of the entry is red, so this is good. Let's put label 2, and then I just change the row 3, 4 and 5. Let's try. You can see I got the search box with the label search something bro, and user can search in here, and when user click on the search button, it is automatically gonna fill with that particular query in here. I'm gonna change width of height and position of the text. Let's try. Yeah, you can see this look good. Now whenever user can search in here, and when user can click in search page button, so it is automatically gonna fill the text with that particular search in here, and when user click on the random page, it is automatically gonna fill text with random Wikipedia page. So let's try. And for that you have to install Wikipedia. You can see Wikipedia is installing. The code is in the description. Pip install Wikipedia. It is successfully installed. Now let's go on our PyCharm and just hit pip import, sorry not pip, just import Wikipedia. So now let's create the function. So I'm gonna name it def random Wikipedia page RWP, and in here I'm gonna just simply insert the text in our text box, rnd text dot insert, and in here you can see end, which you have to add, and means it is gonna add text in the end of the text. So now let's create the random Wikipedia page. So I'm gonna add just some text to see it is working or not, and let's create the on click event. So let's add command equal to RWP, which is our function. Let's try this. You can see it is working. Whenever I click on the random page, it is generating the text in here. Now I want that page random Wikipedia page, and for that I'm gonna use s equal to wikipedia.summary, and then I'm gonna pass s in here. Let's try. Let's run. Oops, we didn't got any summary. Let's try again. We didn't got any Wikipedia page because in the summary we have to pass title, but we want our Wikipedia randomly. And for random page we are gonna use the random function and wikipedia.random, and then we are gonna create this summary, and I'm gonna change this s into r because this is the random title, and then we are gonna create the summary s equal to wikipedia.summary, and then we are gonna create a page per r. R is the title again. So let's try, and then we are gonna just print the s. So let's try. When I click on the random page, you can see it gives me the Success Sarbaji 1868 50 March. I don't know what the heck is this. Was an Indian educator and Christian missionary. Okay, let's try again. You can see when I click again, you can see Kevin Fred was Puerto Rican rapper, singer, and the first, and so on. So you can see it is giving us the random page, but the problem in here is it is giving me the random Wikipedia page after the old text. I want random page single Wikipedia text, and for that I'm gonna use the delete function, and here you can see rndtxt.delete start from 1 to end, and I want my text, let's say 10 sentence, and for that I'm gonna use sentence equal to, let's say I'm gonna add 50. Okay, let's try. Okay, when I click on the random page, you can see Rudy Sportman is a 1911. Okay, I'm gonna click again random page. You can see I got the different page with, you can see Soros Group Limited and so on. So this is the different and random Wikipedia page, and I didn't see the old page, old text in here. So let's try again random page. You can see this is working fine. GV record was an American record, and so on. So now let's go on the search Wikipedia page, and even you can scroll down for more text too. And I'm gonna create the SWP, which is search Wikipedia page function, SWP, and then I'm gonna simply copy this and paste this in here. Now I have to create the variable in here in the main body of Tkinter, and in here I'm gonna create the comment variables, and let's say the variable is search. So search var equal to text variable, and our text is the string, so we are gonna use the string variable, and so on. So we are gonna pass the string variable in our search box. So let's find out our search box. Oh, this is it. And in here I'm gonna pass the variables equal to search variable, and I'm gonna copy it, and then simply I'm gonna just paste it. And now in here I'm gonna pass the command equal to swp in or button to search box, and then I'm gonna just simply change the r into swp. Okay, now let's go in our function, and in here I'm gonna get the text from the variable. So let's say our variable name was search var. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste this in here. Let's say srch equal to search variable dot get function, and then I'm gonna simply pass that variable in. I don't want this random anymore, so I'm gonna remove this, and then I'm gonna just pass the srch in here, and so on. So it's done, but I'm gonna change this rnd text in srh text. Oops, I change in rwp. I have to change this. Okay, now it's done. And remember, you have to pass the text variable in here. I forgot that. Now let's run. Now let's try something like Logan, and then I'm gonna search. You can see it work, but you can see I got so many title about Logan, so this is mistake. I have to change this. And remember to change rnd text into srh text. Okay, and here you can see I just remove the summary to search. So with the use of search, we can search any sheet in here. Let's try. Now I'm gonna search again Logan. Now let's search. You can see I got Logan, Logan Paul, Logan Phil, Logan Lucky, Mount Logan, Lara Logan, Logan, and so on. So, but what should I do now? And for that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go in here and create the Wikipedia page for first result. So let's try let's say srch. No, sch is good for now. You can name it anything. S equal to wikipedia dot page, or you can say summary. You can do page 2, and then I'm gonna pass the srch of 0. Now let's try. Now let's try Logan, or let's try to search. I'm gonna just okay. Oops, again that error. Let's try again. Okay, now let's try again Logan, and when I click on the search page, you can see I got Logan Phillips and Henderson. I don't know what the heck is this guy. I'm gonna click on the search page again. You can see whenever I click on the search page, it gives me the Logan Phillips Henderson. He's an American actor and the role of Logan Michelle. Okay, I'm gonna close this again and I'm gonna run this again. Okay, I'm gonna search for Logan again. You can see this time I got the Logan family is a fictional family in a CBS daytime. So whenever I run this program, you can see it gives me the different output for particular Logan. So now let's try something else, like let's say New York. Okay, now I'm gonna search. You can see I got the New York Yankees are an American professional baseball team based in okay, you can say I am getting something. So this is how you can create the search and the random page. Let's try random page 2. You can see I got Moody Stay is a village in Pohoja Sakala Parish. So okay, now let's try something different. Let's try How I Met Your Mother. Now let's try. Oops, I forgot. Okay, oops, I add the different spelling in here. Let's try again. You can see the 4th season of the American television comedy series How I Met Your Mother on September 22, 2008, and the concluded on May 18, 2009, and so on. So now let's try something different, like what if we add a random text in here. Let's try. You can see we didn't got anything. Let's try again. Yes. So we have to add the try and the except. For this you can see we didn't got any output, and unknown error occurred the search parameter. and for that we are gonna use the try and the accept. I'm gonna simply just cut this into the try section, and then I'm gonna paste in here, and I'm gonna just change the accept in here, and I'm gonna put this line 2. I'm gonna cut this line and put it in here, and then so on. So I'm gonna copy this line and put it in here, and I'm gonna change the S into nothing found. Okay, now let's try. I'm gonna add the random character in here, and then I'm gonna click on the search page. You can see I got nothing found in here. And even if you want to add the choose language section in here, you can do it too. You just wanna do it, use wikipedia.set language. Let's try wikipedia.set language, and in here you can pass any language in here. Let's try Hindi. Oops, I think the code is incorrect. Let's try French. I know the French code is FR. Now let's try. You can see I got la, batale, de, kino, long. You can see this is the French language. So online you can find down the language code, like you can see ISO code. So let's try Chinese. The Chinese code is ZH. Let's try ZH. I'm gonna put the random page, and in here I'm gonna search the Logan. You can see you got stuff in Chinese language. Now let's try in here too. Oops, we didn't add any language code in here, so this is okay for now. But in here you can see we got text in Chinese language. So that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, just like this video, share this video to other programmer, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video. And in here you can see I just changed the language into Chinese, but even you can do is you can choose the menu button to select language from user. So that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, just like this video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.